Alright, now, yeah, we can order it, but you gotta order it to the security. Alright, now let's go. So, yeah. Okay, guys, now, step 1. Each coaster has a diameter of 12 cm. What's the radius?
What's a coaster?
A coaster is a round thing like a pin. You know what they put? That's a coaster. Okay. So the radius is how much?
6.
Radius is 6. Very good boy. 6 cm. Okay. Radius is 6 cm. So step 1. This is answer A. Now answer B. They want us to find the area of each coaster. How can we find the area? Very good. Which is pi r square. So 3.14 multiply 6 cm times 6 cm, which should give us
3.14 times 30.
that is correct. So 36 times 3.14 is 3.04 cm square. Okay, so this one still easy, very straightforward. Now, question C. Guys, please don't copy. I want you guys to pay attention first. You pay attention, then I'll let you copy. Now, question C. Each piece of foam is a rectangle. So, the length. So, we know it's a rectangle. And the length is 984 cm. And the width is 144 cm. Now, quick question. How do we, boy, no tie please. How do we find the area of this rectangle? How do we find the area of this rectangle? Who can remember the formula? So area is base times height, or L times W, which is length times width, which will give us 984 cm multiply 144 cm. So let us find that. 984 times 144, which would give us 141,696 cm square. Alright, so till C, we are done. Right? Now here comes the confusing part. Now, the coasters are cut with minimum weight. So, what they are doing is, so the coasters are circular pins. They are cutting that from this foam, the rectangular foam. Now, they want to waste as less as possible. Now, the question is, how many coasters can be cut from each piece of foam? Now, look here, guys. Boy, you got to pay attention, buddy. Now, we find the diameter. How much is the diameter? 12. What is 984 divided by 12? 984 divided by 12.
984
Divided by 12.
8
8.
and 2.
2. Very good. Now, we also have to do the same with the width. Okay, because not only the length, we also have the width. So 144 divided by 12 is 12. Very good. Now, since we are talking about the area, now what we do is we take these two and we multiply them. Boy, what is 82 multiplied by 12? So let's do it. So what do you have here? 4 and
16
and
82
2 and 8. And then what do we have? 4, 8, 9. 9. Yes. Okay. Now, what we'll do now is we'll go step by step. First, copy this down. Copy this down first.